updating your primary email on Instagram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Select Account. In the Settings menu, tap on Account to access account-related options. Here, you will find various settings related to your account. Step 5. Update email address. Tap on Personal information or email. The option may vary. Enter your new email address and confirm it. Make sure to save the changes before exiting the settings. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Instagram will be updated. Regularly check your email settings to ensure your account remains secure.